let's talk about definite limits. Definite limits is a very simple concept. It's just asking what value does your function reach as your x value approaches a certain point. For example here, x approaches the value 1, as denoted with this symbol right over here. As it approaches 1, what value does your function reach? It reaches 2. So therefore the limit of f of x as x approaches 1, that's how you would say it, is equal to 2. So this would equal to 2 here. It's a very simple concept. But this also applies to piecewise functions. Some functions that are out of the ordinary. For example here, you could actually approach a function from the left and approach a function from the right. So here, you would denote approaching from the left with this little negative sign on the number right here. So this says as the limit of the function as x approaches -1 from the left, what would it be? Well, it approaches the value 3. So it would be 3. This would equal to 3. And for the second one, what is the value of the function as x approaches 1 from the right? Well, when it's approaching from the right, it approaches the value 1. So this would equal to 1. So how do you solve definite limits? There are actually two main methods. First, you just try substituting. Second, you try simplifying the function. Those are the two main methods in IB Maths. Let's try the first method, just direct substitution. All you do is get the number that it's approaching, you put it into x. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Second method, for definite limits, is you simplify the function. If you put 2 right over here, it will be 0 over 0, which is undefined. So you have to simplify the function. So it will be x plus 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. You can simplify this. Cancel these out, and that will be x plus 2. And then you have to direct substitution again. Put 2 in, that will be 4.